Okay guys, welcome to another vid. I'm over at the Pendle Hill area. Bit of a gloomy day, but there's some forest, some woodland, some huge trees up there. You can see it centre screen. Pendle Hill to the left up there. I'm going to go and have a hike in these forests, these woodlands, cook some steak up. It's going to be great. So, lovely area, any weather. It's not the clearest day. I'm going to park up over here. If you're new to the channel, I'm Mick. It's all about the outdoors, getting out there guys, so please do subscribe. So I'm in the little Microcamper I'm making guys. Gonna have a coffee before I do anything else. Let's get this coffee going. If you ever do anything like this in your vehicle, have your ventilation windows or doors open. Always have some water at hand, just in case of emergencies we are dealing with a naked flame. Well, safe enough here, but always make sure. There we go guys. Starts off the walk very nicely. A nice coffee next to this stream. Beautiful, can't beat it. So here we go guys, climbing out of the village of Barley. Lovely little place, little cafe, some public toilets, but very touristy, so we're not interested in touristy. We want to get into the wildest places we can get over here. And that's them giant woods at the bottom of these Pendle hills, this moorland. This is where we like to be. I think I have noticed on this little trail just out the village, the locals, or maybe just the hikers around here, are so friendly people. Check this out guys, check this view. It's Pendle Hill over there, going up there. We're going to head up into these woods. So a little bridge and pathway up into these woods. Let's get up there. Here we are, love the woodland. It's a steep pathway out there. You know there's plenty of deer in this particular area. But I'm going to come off this path, cut through this woodland, a bit of a trodden trail there. Look at these trees. Actually we'll have a walk up here and cut across near the top. Maybe you can make out Pendle Hill there through these trees. Absolutely stunning, even on a day like this. Oh, there's a climb. Stunning. Inside of these uprooted root balls here. If you can hear an owl. Actually, I think I showed you these before a while ago on the channel. I stood right next to them, but today it's so swampy. Deep in mud. Trust me, when I stand next to them, I'm only halfway up them. I'm not going to be sinking in all that today, but amazing. Just look, we got through there, there's a little area. Me and a friend of mine thought it'd be good wild camping area until we stepped in it and sunk way past the ankles in mud. So maybe on a very dry summer. That's the only time, but it will be a beautiful spot. thought to give it a go, but very deep in mud. Like I say in all my videos, sometimes it's just good to stop and become a part of the place. The world's in such a rush. If you're out hiking, stop. 5, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour. Just stop every so often and become a part of the place. So what I'm going to do now is cut through these woods off the path, get my steaks cooked. Something about being in woodland, you're so close to nature, and if you're at night time, that really does get your senses heightened, your natural instincts kick in. Somebody said, one of the challenges, I think it was Ben, or 4-1 fowls, there's nothing more frightening than running through woods at night time with your torch. You can just about see in front of you. I haven't tried that yet. I suppose that could be quite dangerous. You don't want to trip and fall some very sharp branches and things sticking up. But I could imagine that is a real primal instinct, like you're chasing or you're being chased. Trying to find a good spot, maybe here, somewhere which levels out a little flat. Back comes this tree. So I got my stove going, maybe here. This looks good. Little seat, wet through, but there we go. So in there, guys. Put some butter, some soy sauce, garlic, salt and pepper. Now time to get these steaks in. Lovely kitchen. So there we go, 2 rump steaks cooking away in butter, garlic, with soy sauce and salt and pepper. Guys, just check life out. It smells absolutely beautiful. Right, there we go, just let that cool off. Smells absolutely beautiful, ready for this definitely. And carry on this little hike. Check that, guys. Steak in the woods, in the forest, nothing better. So there we go, steak in the woods, nothing more primal, apart from going hunting it and killing it yourself. That was bloody good. Steak, soy sauce, butter, garlic, salt and pepper. Beautiful. Let's get going. What a spot, guys. Even on a day like this, the cloud just touching over the top of Pendle Hill there. Next to this stream and these woods. Amazing. A great little hike, guys. So back to this Microcamper, and please do like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment. I'll always reply. You lot take care. Get yourself out if you can. Doesn't have to cost much. A bit of fuel to get where you're going, some food. You feel great once you get home. Love it. I'll stay with good. Okay, guys. Take care. Speak soon.